So what I've got here is the world's first bifold wallet with built-in Apple Find My technology, and I have to say I've been using it for the past week. For the quality you get and the price you pay, this is going to be a popular one, and I'll talk about price later on in the video, so make sure you don't miss that. So welcome back to the channel. My name's Almir, aka MrHtech, and on this channel we make tech simple. And what I've got in my hand here, I've been waiting for such a long time. You might have seen last year I reviewed the ESR Geo Wallet MagSafe version, and while that was a great device and super popular, especially on a Kickstarter campaign, something I wish they made was a bifold wallet version I could put in my pocket with extra storage and extra card slots. Well, that's what they've exactly done now, and I've been using it for the past week, and I can say I'm pleasantly surprised. Up until now, I've been using an extra wallet with a Chipolo card in the back for tracking, and I'm gonna be honest with you, it would never really work. But now I've got the Apple Find My technology in the ESR wallet for all my tracking needs, so let's check it out. So for those of you that don't know what Apple Find My is and why it's so good, it's essentially the tracking technology Apple use for all their different devices. So whether it be a MacBook, an iPad, an iPhone, an AirTag for example, they're all connected to the Find My network. So as long as you're in the vicinity of an iPhone or an Apple product, it will bounce the signal around and let you track your device seamlessly. And with the amount of Apple products there are in the world, you can see why that's so superior to other tracking systems. So when it comes to the design of the ESR Geo Wallet, it's made from false leather. It's pretty slim for a bifold wallet, but you get a ton of storage options on the inside. For example, you get 2 window card slots for different IDs, which is perfect because then you can have a driver's license in one and you can have a work ID, for example, in the other one. You don't have to keep switching them about depending on which one you're using more. You can hold a bunch of different cards. You've got 4 different slots for cards on the side, which some of them can be actually doubled up to hold 2 cards in one slot. And then underneath that, you've got an opening for even more cards that are less frequently used, for example. And then you've got on the back 2 slots for your bills. And then in the back, you've got a little pouch which can hold up to 15 different coins, I think. Essentially, you can carry everything you need in this wallet and track it with Apple Find My, not having to worry if you're going to lose it or not. So it does come in several different colors. I've got the black one and the gray one here. The gray one I've been using for the last week. However, I have seen that they kind of have a yellow mustardy one, which has caught my eye, and I may have to go on Kickstarter and grab that one for myself. So the Apple Find My module with the charging section actually sits under the 2 card slots. You do get a magnetic charging cable, which for 2 hours of charge, it will last you up to 5 months. So you don't have to worry about charging it frequently, and you can top it up in the meantime. You don't have to wait till the 5 months is over. So just from the last week of using this wallet, judging the quality, seeing how well it works with Apple Find My, I thought for sure this is going to be over $100 once it's released, without a doubt. ESR have actually said it's going to be $55 for one wallet once it's released on their website. But if you use the link in the description box below to go onto their Kickstarter campaign, you can actually grab it as an early bird offer for an extra 30% off, which brings it down to what, just under $40 for a full bifold wallet with built-in Apple Find My, which I think is just unheard of when it comes to price. So connecting to the wallet is super simple. Right where the Apple Find My module is, you've got a power button. You're going to press it once and you're going to hear a noise, which means it's turned on. And then once it's turned on, all you're going to do is go to your phone, go to the Find My section, go to the devices bit, add device, add other item. It's going to search for it and it should find it within a couple of seconds. You can see we've got ESR Geo Wallet. We're going to connect to it, give it a name, give it an emoji, agree. Once it finishes setup, it's connected to your account. Now, if you do search for the wallet and you can't seem to see it, you can play a sound as well, so it's easier to locate. So that's how the sound is. It's pretty loud and it should be very helpful in terms of locating where your wallet is. So that was the ESR Geo Wallet with built-in Apple Find My technology. And like I mentioned, if you want to grab yourself one with that sweet 30% early bird discount, make sure to use that link in the description box below before the slots run out. I believe they start shipping from around early September, so plenty of time to grab yourself one or a gift for a family member or friend. So thank you for watching the video. I hope this helped you. If you've got any questions, leave them down in the comments box below and I'll be sure to answer everything I can. Have a great day and I'll catch you on the next one.